Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be setting up the Active Directory. Previously, this last video, some people said they couldn't see it clearly, they don't know how it came about. So today I'm going to be starting from scratch. And first thing first, we have to install a virtual machine. So I'm going to be going ahead to do that. Install VirtualBox. So I'm going to be installing the Oracle VirtualBox for Windows because I'm using a Windows PC. Let's hold on while that loads. Okay, so it's done. I'm just going to click on it. I accept the agreement. So click on I accept the terms of the license agreement. Next. Just delete this text. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on next. Stop. Click on finish. It's right here.